Connect the charging station power supply cable to a power outlet. The two charging port status LEDs should now show a steady green light. When connecting the control unit to the charging station, fit the control unit guide ledge into the guide slot and gently push the control unit into the station until the release button clicks into place. The used charging port status LED turns to a steady blue light when the control unit is connected. To avoid battery degradation, do not disconnect the control unit until the charging port status LED shows a steady green light and the control unit is fully charged. To disconnect the control unit from the charging station, push the release button on the control unit and lift it out. Always disconnect the control unit after charging and store all components in their original packaging.